Greetings, my friends. This is Denise again, exploring vegan cooking this time. And I've been doing a lot of this exploration for the past 2 years. This is my favorite Oriental salad. I just grate a carrot. I like it grated, and it's not as crunchy and obtrusive. I add about half a cup of raisins and some little cherry tomatoes that I'm going to cut in half. I really need a sharper knife. This knife doesn't really do the job as well as I wanted it to. I just hold them down and cut straight across, and unfortunately I ended up squishing one of my tomatoes. Oh well, it's all good. I need to sharpen that knife. Now I am going to cut up some celery real fine. And a red onion. I like to dice it by making cuts straight down into my my onion and then cutting straight across. It dices it so perfectly. So about, I don't know, a quarter of a cup of diced red onion. Now this is my green cabbage, and I've got about a quarter of a head there. I'm going to use the whole thing, and I'm going to cut it rather finely, almost like slaw. Next, I am adding some apple slices. So this is a very sweet and savory salad. It's got it all. It's got fruit, it's got vegetables, it's got a little bread. And I am using regular ramen noodles, but not, of course, the packet of seasoning that comes with it. I'm tossing that part out. So I mash it up to very, very fine crumbles. Toss out the seasoning packet and make sure the crumbles are pretty fine in my ramen. And now I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. Now notice I haven't cooked my ramen at all. Got about a tablespoon or two of some teriyaki sauce, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And that's going to account for my dressing. That's the dressing. It'll kind of soak up into the ramen, and I'm going to add that directly into my salad without even cooking it. Now I'm using baby kale here, but arugula would be very good also. About a couple of handfuls. Chopping it finely makes it easier to eat, or at least more friendly. And now throw in the ramen and stir well. You can add some salt and pepper if you need it, but I think that the soy sauce adds plenty of salt. And there you have it, a beautiful Oriental salad with a little garnishing if you want. Thanks so much for watching. I'll share more later. Come again. Bye now.